Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. I've been asked to look into YouTube watch hours, and I think people are getting a little bit confused about what their watch hours are and how to view them and what the breakdown is on their channel. So um, what we're going to do is we're going to have a little look first off on how to find your details. Now, we all are aware of YouTube Studio. This is our How To For You channel. I only just started, as you can tell. Analytics, if you look at the analytics and then go on to watch time in hours, 27.3. Thank you very much for that, by the way, guys. Much appreciated. But 27.3 does involve all your views, all your watches. What I'm going to show you now is simple. If you go over here to your list on your YouTube Studio, down here you've got earn. If you're lucky to be monetized already, then that will be monetized. If you click on earn, could bring you to this channel monetization page. Then scroll down. How do I join? As you can see, I've got 11 subscribers on this channel, 26 public watch hours. Okay. Right. So the things you have to achieve are obviously 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, or 10 million short views. Good luck with that. Anyway, if I switch to my Streamers Fan Zone channel, I go on here. So I go on my analytics. So let's go to lifetime, or even better, last 365 days. As you can see, I've got 2.6k views. All right, watch time hours, sorry. So what I'm going to do now is do the same thing. As you can see, I'm still not monetized yet. Okay, same page, channel monetization. Scroll down, and I have 817 public watch hours. That's because this 2.6k involves private hours, which either you've watched yourself or left private. Okay, also unlisted views, obviously unlisted videos. Them hours are taken away. Okay, now there's a little bit of nitty gritty that I'd like you to understand about this. Okay, I don't know whether you guys do this, but there are such a thing as Google ads and YouTube ads. There's also Fiverr, but we won't talk too much about that. If someone clicks your ad and watches your video, it's not included in your watch hours. Okay? If they watch other videos from your channel after clicking the ad, then that is included in your hours. So you've got to ask yourself, are Google ads, YouTube ads, or Fiverr really worth it? That's up to you. Ads get your channel noticed. So real YouTube hours are here to be seen. As we see here, 26 public hours against my analytics of 27.3. Okay. And if you look on my main channel, I have over 365 days, 2.6k watch hours. And I go to earn, I have 817 public watch hours. So that is what I'm looking to get to 4,000. As you can see, it's a little bit more difficult than people think, but I just wanted to make sure that people were aware of where to find that information. Okay, and hopefully this video will have helped you. Don't be disappointed. It's best to know the truth. So please, if you would, subscribe, share, like, and comment. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. See you soon.